Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a closer look at the Porsche Cayenne Turbo made by Welly at the 1/24 scale. We have this model in this black with black interior color combination. Also this model features opening front doors and opening engine cover with the wheels turning as well. Sadly no suspension for this model. The dimension for these models are around 10 centimeters wide and 20 centimeters long. So let's take a closer look. But first of all, I have to mention that this window, side mirror is coming off. I think it hasn't been glued well, because it's not broken. It just needs some more glue. I'll put that away just not to lose it. Also, all 1/24 scale models from Welly come with this opening tool, so be sure to check underneath the cardboard box the stand for this model, because you will need it to open the doors, especially the engine cover, because it was very hard to open. So first we have the front, quite good headlights. I like the model, how they did the headlights. They look quite realistic. Also we have here the tail running lights. Sadly these are just painted. A few details here and there. We have the parking sensors, and also this massive grille that is not perforated, but overall quite a good look on this model. Next we have the side. So we have the rim with the Porsche logo there in the center. You can see it very well. Also we have the brake disc that moves with the wheel. I don't think they did a very good job at the brake caliper. Also on this model it's catching on the wheel, so it may break soon. Next we have the wing mirrors, and here in the back the same rim, also catching on the brake caliper as well. So we have the tire tread, the front there. Next in the back, I'm not a big fan of this clear stop lights, but Welly did quite a good job. We have the Porsche logo there as well, and also we have the Cayenne Turbo written there as well. No license plate for this model. And here is the exhaust, the 4 exhaust pipes, quite nicely done. Also have some more features here and there. Sadly these are just painted. So let's now check under the hood. I don't know if they made it that well, but it's a bit tricky to open the hood. Try. Okay. Underneath the hood, just a big lump of plastic. We have some painted parts here and around here. Also we have some details on the engine here. I think it says Porsche, but I'm not that sure. I will need to get a magnifying glass. Also we have Porsche written there. So not many details. Also we have the dogleg hinges, of course, as most of these type of models have. Next we have the doors. As I mentioned earlier in the start of the video, only the front doors open. inside looks quite decent, except for the gear lever. I think they made it too big. Let me see if I can zoom there. So the interior looks quite decent. As I mentioned, that gear lever ruins it for me. Let's open the other side as well. I think Welly did a very good job. Also, we don't have any dog legs on this model, and another plus is that we have glass windows, plastic windows, but full up in the back and in the front as well. So again, a big plus for this model. That's about it for this model. I think it's a very good model from Welly. Looks pretty decent. I hope they don't have the problem with the brake calipers and mirrors. And hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, I leave a comment in the comment box below.